Hi coders, this is a short video about break statement in Java. Break statement is used to break loop or switch statement. In case of inner loop, it breaks only the inner loop. And here is the syntax, statement and break. Let's see the example. So here is the example of program on how to use break statement in Java. So we place the break inside the looping and then we tell the condition on when to quit the looping. My program here will display number from 1 to 5 according to the value of I. So the program here will do the looping from I equal to 1 until I less than equal to 5 and the value of I will be displayed. However, when the value of I equal to the number inputted by user over here, then we have to quit the looping. So I use the break inside the condition inside the looping. So the complete program is like this. We ask the user to enter a number from 1 up to 5 and then we hold the value from the user. Remember, to get an input from user, we need scanner, and to be able to use scanner, you will have to use import java.util scanner. So let's run the program. The first line here, execute it, enter a number from 1 up to 5. And then the program asks an input from user. For example, I input 3, okay? And then it will start the looping from 1 up to 5. However, there is a selection here. If I equal to num, so when I equal to 3 equal to the num means the input given by the user, then the looping will quit, will not execute up to 5. It will stop at 3. Let's see the result. Look here, it display number 1 and then number 2. However, because I here 3 equal to num inputted by user, it's not displayed, but the break statement is read with the looping. Now let's see how to use break inside nested loop. The purpose of the program is just to display that the number is not equal to 3. So if the number is equal to 3, we want to quit the looping. So here is the condition to break. Since we put it inside the inner loop, so it's only quit from the inner loop and then go back to the outer loop. Let's run the program. Okay, here is the result. So when we run the program, it will start reading x equal to 1 and then enter the loop and then display here loop x, which is 1, and then enter the inner loop. When it enter the inner loop, y will be read, which is 1, and then enter here, check is not equal to 3, then display this statement, 1 is not 3, and then go back to the inner loop, read the second y, which is 2, and it's not fulfill the condition, so skip it, then it will be displayed 2 is not 3, display here, and then again go back to the inner loop. The next to read is 3, enter the looping and then check the condition, 3 equal to 3, true. Since it is true, then quit the inner looping, not the outer looping here, and then read this statement, which is this, and then go to the outer looping, read the next number, which is 2. Now this will be displayed loop number 2, and then do the same thing.
If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.